Hi, my name is Roshan Kumar. Today I am going to discuss about the shortcut key. So shortcut key is, suppose we can say like what is shortcut key. So shortcut key क्या होता है? Shortcut key we can start with the shortcut key related to the combinations of more than key. Like suppose the keywords let's perform the task quickly without using the mouse. Without mouse के through हम लोग कैसे shortcut key use करेंगे? ये होता है shortcut key. Okay? तो नेक्स्ट एक्सेल में हम लोग यूज करते हैं शॉर्टकट की. सो कुछ फंक्शंस होते हैं हमारे जो कि प्री डिफाइंस होते हैं. सो कंट्रोल एन क्या करता है, न्यू वर्कबुक. कंट्रोल ओ क्या करता है, ओपन द वर्कबुक. कंट्रोल एस क्या करता है हमारा, सेव द वर्कबुक. कंट्रोल पी क्या करता है हमारा, प्रिंट द वर्कबुक. और कंट्रोल सी क्या करता है, कॉपी द वर्कबुक. तो वन बाय वन हम लोग चेक करते हैं इसको कि ये कैसे करता है. राइट, लेट्स से कंट्रोल एन. कंट्रोल एन हमारा क्या करेगा, न्यू वर्कबुक ओपन करेगा. यहाँ पे आएंगे, जस्ट कंट्रोल एन दबाएंगे यहाँ पे और जस्ट प्रेस द कंट्रोल एन, कंट्रोल प्लस एन. सो सी द न्यू वर्कबुक विल ओपन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन कंट्रोल ओ. कंट्रोल ओ व्हाट विल डू, ओपन द वर्कबुक. राइट, सो कंट्रोल ओ means suppose where you want to save your file and if you want to open you can just go to the browse and just click the Excel file. Suppose my Excel file book 1, just open and just click and open. Okay, Ctrl S means save the workbook or Ctrl P means print the workbook and Ctrl C means copy the workbook. Copy and paste. Copy and paste means like simply suppose let's say example, this is my file. I want to copy this, Ctrl C. I want to paste here, Ctrl V. Right, Ctrl V and Ctrl X. So Ctrl V and Ctrl X, I'm going to the Ctrl V means copy the paste, copy, and after copy you want to paste. So Ctrl V is the paste somewhere place and Ctrl X means cut from somewhere place and paste another place. See, I'm going to use Ctrl X means this location will completely remove and shift that this locations. This is the Ctrl X. I want to do Ctrl X and Ctrl V. Ctrl V means, see what is this, this is the locations which I am just Ctrl X and here is I'm going to put the Ctrl V. Right, so this is the example Ctrl V and Ctrl X. Ctrl Z means undo and Ctrl Z means redo. Right, suppose I have pasted from there this place, I want go to the back place. So Ctrl G, this is the back place and I want to again, suppose by mistake, no, you can go the back positions. Okay, so Ctrl Y. Okay, Ctrl A means suppose this is the workbook and I want to select. Okay, so in this one Ctrl A means entire the workbook will selected. Ctrl F means find the workbook or Ctrl H means replace the something word. Right, Ctrl F. Suppose this is my data, I want to find. So Ctrl F press, just find which one, 1. Where is the 1? I have just click the find the text box here 1 and just click the find. So here is the 1 is the 1 is the index positions in row ID 1. I want to 6 entire one the tables. Right, they will jump and just search and replace. Suppose I want to 6 positions, this is the 6, I want to change. Right, go to the sheet, suppose Ram I want to change. So Ctrl F, here is the one more options, Ram replace to Roshan. See, replace all, one row record done. So I'm going to close this and here is the Roshan's word is replaced. Ctrl F. F means like if you want to just functions key, press the function key and press the F2. Right, and now you can change this word. Right, jump to the edge, Control arrow key. Control arrow key, suppose here is the control shift right side, like directly jump to the end edge. Same thing for the down, same thing for the left, same thing for up. Right, directly jump from the like top to bottom, bottom to left, left to right, right to up. So these are kinds of the features will control arrow key. Control shift L means like apply the filters. So here this is my tables and here is go and there is one more options. You can see that Ctrl Shift L, you can apply the filter functions, Ctrl Shift L directly, and either you can go through here, just click here. This is the filter functions. You can just filter the data. If you want to remove the data, just select this one, same one, Control Shift, just select the data and Control Shift L, and either you go through the here, right? Auto sum. Auto sum means, like suppose here is some sale. This is my sale, total sale. This is my sale data. I want total sale. So this function auto sum, alt plus equal to. So alt plus equal to means like just select the data, Ctrl C and alt plus, just enter. This is the total sum which is coming from this one. Ctrl T means it create the table. I have created the tables, right? Just here and just click Ctrl T. Just place over inside one the table, anywhere in the table, and just Ctrl T and click OK. This is the dynamic. You can just change over there. I'm going to backward position, so Ctrl Z. Ctrl 1 means format the cell. Suppose I want to format this cell, Ctrl 1. See, format options is there. If you want to change, directly jump and date wise, currency, number, whatever you want, change the data type. Control Shift else, like format will open, right? Suppose I want to select this data and Control C, Control Shift dollar, Control Shift and dollar means change the currency. Current date if you want. Suppose I want to create today date. What will do? I will use the current semicolons, like it will return current date, right? Aaj ka date. So these are my Excel, which is we can use most famous Excel's keywords, which we can use for the very handy for many times we can use for this shortcut key. Thank you so much.